Hello curious learners. Welcome to Learn English PK, your colorful corner for mastering English in the most joyful way. Get comfy, get curious, and let's start exploring together. Today's spotlight shines on a tiny but powerful word, there. From pointing out places to opening sentences, this little word does a lot. Let's find out just how magical it is. What is there? Well, it's more than just a word. It's a way to show where something is, to begin a sentence, or even to ask a curious question. It wears many hats, and each one helps your sentences shine. Now let's use there to show where something is. Think of it like a little arrow in your sentence. For example, look, there's your bag, or the cat is sleeping over there. It helps us point, show, and share. We often use there to start sentences when we're introducing something new. Like, there is a new student in class, or there are cookies in the jar. It's not pointing to a place, it's showing that something exists. We use there in questions when we want to know if something exists. Like, is there a library nearby? Or, are there any apples left? It's how we turn wonder into words. Sometimes we use there to gently say something's not around. Like, there isn't any milk, oh no, breakfast alert. Or, there aren't many stars tonight, looks like the sky's feeling shy. It's a polite, simple way to show that something's missing. Now it's your turn. Let's say some sentences using there. Try, there is a book on the desk. There are 5 pencils. Is there a window open? There isn't a dog in the yard. Feel how there brings these moments to life. Say them out loud and let the word guide you. Time for a quick quiz. Can you tell which sentence uses there correctly? Try your best, choose the right ones, and feel the power of this tiny word. We've explored how there can point, introduce, question, and even say something's missing. It's a tiny word with big responsibilities. You've done amazing learning its secrets. Now go out and spot it in the world around you. Loved learning with Learn English PK? Then don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and tap that subscribe button for more magical lessons. And hey, leave us a cheerful comment to say hello or share your thoughts. We're always listening. Thank you for learning with Learn English PK. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and let every there lead you somewhere wonderful. See you in the next adventure.